Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another Vlogmas. Today I am starting my day with breakfast because I feel like I haven't started Vlogmas with breakfast. I always start like at 1 or 12 after I edit, but today I'm going to start with breakfast and show you guys how I make my mangu, salami, and eggs. So after the plantains are boiled, I remove a little bit of the water, or a lot of the water, and then just leave a little bit. Like that. Add some regular milk and butter. And then with a masher, everyone always asks me why my salami looks like Pac-Man, and the reason is because when you fry salami, they curl up like a cup, and I personally don't like that because it doesn't fry all the way around. So if you slice a little cut open, not like the entire piece as you noticed, but just like one slice through the salami halfway, it's going to open up like that and it's not going to curl up. And this, my friends, is my favorite breakfast. I literally could eat this every single day. I know there's a lot of salami, but it's my favorite. And I also know that it's not a tres golpes since it doesn't have the cheese, but I don't really like cheese like that. I am finally done editing. I feel like half of Vlogmas is filming and then the other half is editing, literally. I definitely was behind on Vlogmas though, I have to admit. I was a little lazy, but now I have a lot of things to get done today, such as packing. I also want to finish the vases today and organize my pampas grass. So let's do that because I want to do a reel. All right, so I'm going to go to the emergency staircase to basically shake the pampas grass and spray them for the video that I'm going to be uploading on Instagram. I'm gonna do a reels. I'm gonna put my mask on in case there's people, which I'm sure there won't be. And take my hairspray, go outside. I have my wall adhesive thing to put it and then film the video. So let's do it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute this turned out. And the best part of it all is that it was free 99. So I highly recommend if you guys see these around to safely stop and pick some up because it definitely adds a different vibe. And then this is one of the vases that I painted, but I have to give it a second coat. So let's paint now. All right, I think I'm going to try to film another reels. I have my paper here with tape. Let's do it. Just finished painting the vases, or like my first coat, because I need to do another one for some. But I'm going to go downstairs right now because we got a package and I'm hoping that it's the half of the bed that is missing. If not, I have to call today and complain because it's literally, it's unbelievable. My luck with the bed for this apartment has been a mission and a half. All right, still no luck with the bed. This is unbelievable. I got the UGG. Wait. Got my winter boots. Literally said that it was going to arrive tomorrow. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are my very first ever UGG boots, ever. Like, I have never owned the other ones that are like super popular, but I'm so excited for these because I feel like they're going to last a really long time. And you can also flip this up and make it longer. I love the color though.
It looks like it was just a little bit behind that first one. Maybe got put on a different track or a different facility, but it's showing me on FedEx's website they have the delivery scheduled for tomorrow, December 11th.
It's coming tomorrow, baby! All right, this is what the lamp looks like in this corner. I kind of wanted it to be literally in like right there. So technically I can just move the couch a little bit, I think, and then it'll fit, but yeah, I don't know. I also was thinking maybe something like that. Would that be so weird? I don't know how I feel about that stick in the back, to be honest. But it's going to stay like that for now until we find something else. I've mentioned before how we don't have ceiling lights in this apartment, but thankfully this switch right here turns on and off one of the plugs, and I ended up plugging the lamp so we can turn it on and off from here. All right, so I'm going to start packing now. This is my new luggage that my friend Pamela gave me for Christmas. If you guys saw that video, we ended up getting each other the same luggage. Technically different ones because this one is a garment luggage. Let me show you that. Not luggage, duffel bag. So this one actually opens up like this, and then you can hang stuff in here, which is pretty cool. And then zip it up like a regular duffel, and it has a bunch of little compartments as well, which I think is so cool. I'm going to link it below for you guys if you're interested. I love the leather one that I got Pamela. I had it in brown, but I think this one is also really cool, and they have some great ones for guys as well. Now these are all of the clothes that I'm planning on bringing. It's like, it kind of looks like a mess, to be honest, but they're all by sections or outfits. I'm bringing this leather skirt with a black sweater, and then 3 different tights because honestly, well, 4, because we all know that these break just by you seeing them. I have 2 turtlenecks here, a white and black one, the winter pants that I showed you guys, I think, in the previous vlog, and then these comfy pants that I'm planning on wearing with this sweater right here. I'm also thinking of wearing the sweater with black jeans. They're currently in the washer, so whenever they get out, I'm going to add it to the luggage. This is one of the coats that I'm bringing. It's an express white coat. I think it's super cute for a snow day, even though, again, I don't know if it's going to snow or not. This bag is from Primark. I kind of want to style it, but I don't know with which outfit, if like the old black one or this. This is another outfit, just like some joggers and this little sweater situation. And then I also have this casual one in case we end up staying home, which most likely we will. It's a super cozy robe. This gives me Skims vibes. And then it comes with matching pants right here. And the pants I got in a size medium. This I got in a size small, and they're both from Primark. And then to go underneath, I have these two razor bags depending on which one I want to wear. I've mentioned this before, but packing cubes are a complete lifesaver when traveling, especially when you have so many things that you want to bring. So I have a bunch of packing cubes here. Well, I'm sure you assume that one of these is for Eric, but it's actually all three are mine. This is what happens when you haven't traveled in forever and you're also traveling somewhere cold, so you need like chunkier items and pieces. So I fit most of my clothes in here, and then I just have the things that I'll need for the day that we get there. I also have the bed sheets. I got a new fresh set of bed sheets because, you know, COVID. I need to change the screen protector for my phone, my wallet, my purse that I'm bringing. This bag has my computer and makeup in there. And then here I have the clothes that I'm going to be wearing tomorrow. So the coat, outfit, and shoes. Just got out the shower. I am going to end today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be filming a weekend vlog of our trip, so stay tuned for that. But thank you so much for watching, and until next time.